In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client dashboard in ClickUp. Let's start by opening ClickUp. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your workspace. The goal is to create a clean, organized home for your client work, so everything from tasks to timelines and updates lives in one place you can easily share or report from. Next, head to the left sidebar and open your space. This is the container where your client operations will live. If you don't already have a dedicated space for clients, create a new one. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy for your team to find, and make sure the right people have access. Keeping this organized now will make your dashboard far more useful later. With your space open, go into the space settings. Look for the Templates section, then choose to browse templates. In the search bar, type the word Client. ClickUp provides a set of ready-made structures designed for client management, and using a template saves you time and ensures nothing essential is missed. You'll typically see templates that include lists for onboarding, delivery, communication, and reporting, along with fields tailored to client work. Choose the template that best matches how your team operates. Before you apply it, preview the template details so you understand what will be added, like statuses, custom fields, and example lists. This is a good moment to check that you're adding rather than overwriting anything important in your space. When you're happy, apply the template. You'll see the new folders and lists appear, giving you a consistent foundation to track client tasks and information. Now that your structure is in place, add a dashboard. Find dashboards in the navigation and select the option to create a new one. Give it a clear name, set who can view or edit it, and connect it to the space you set up. A dashboard is where you'll pull together the live data from your client templates. Things like task progress, upcoming deadlines, and workload, so you can monitor performance at a glance. Start with a simple layout that reflects your top priorities, and remember that you can refine it over time as your reporting needs evolve. And that's it. Your client dashboard is up and running. With a properly structured space, a relevant client template, and a focused dashboard, you now have a reliable real-time view of your client work. Congrats, and enjoy the clarity and control this setup brings to your operations.